What do you mean we're gonna go 50-50, but when it comes to the house chores, ndimendedwa? Njani?
Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad?
This I can't be Sabawell from Instagram.
Baby, you.
Siyambona
Lumfana.
ngathi isinto yamabele bethunana.
Guy, combo.
Why are you sucking my boobs while we are busy?
Tingon mo dyan? Ngayon ka lang ba nakakita ng maganda?
Hey, wantwana ebusuku.
Okay, anyway, guys, we are done now with the friendship questions. Now we're gonna go to part 2 of the relationship question. What is your take, ne?
Yes,
On the
relationships.
in relationships. Guys, don't mind her, she's already intoxicated.
Relationships. Yeah, I'm confused. We're doing friendships, relationships, friendship. As long as there's a sheep. That's why I got confused. As long as there's a sheep.
Anyway, guys, the first question is, do you believe in 50-50?
No.
I don't.
IBhayibheli ithi a man must be a provider and dependela up.
Okay, she is saying that, and I think I'm also supporting her. I also don't believe in 50-50, guys, because what do you mean we're gonna go 50-50, but when it comes to the house chores, ndimendedwa? Njani?
That means you're 100% on house chores.
Yes, and more than anything, nam ndiyahamba ndiyosebenza, nawe uyasebenza, so masibuya from work we are equally exhausted or tired, ne? So
you're not a housewife.
Yes, so if we're gonna split the bills, 50-50 we bills, then why not nakwi house chores city 50-50 yonke into makwenziwe ngo 50-50? So no,
I don't believe
u-50-50 akazulunga. Anyway, yenziwa ngebomi into bangaba kube khona inhloko kuphinde kube khona umfazi wakhona
nentamo.
Yes, at least let's go 30-70. Mina ndimu 30.
Yes, women are 30 and then abafana 70. Abafana the boys 70.
And then the second question is, would you forgive a cheating partner?
Let me tell you one thing about abafana. They wouldn't forgive you for cheating. So why would you bother when, as a woman, to forgive a cheating partner? Mina, I think I was supposed to be a guy. I wouldn't forgive a cheating partner. No.
The minute you find out, you are gone.
Not find out. Let's say I don't mind calls and messages. Red-handed. A betting. Red-handed. Well, tall. I'm out.
You're gone.
Yes.
Guys, yes, indaba ye cheating, it's complex.